Hello and welcome to today's class. This is the day 10 of this web design course. In today's class, I'll be talking to you about search engine optimization. So search engine optimization is the process of improving the visibility and the ranking of your website or web pages on search engines. So the essence of you designing a website for yourself or for your clients is for them to generate traffic to the website and convert them to customers. So there are two methods of generating traffic. The first is paid advertisement and the second is organic traffic. So when you search for something on Google, which is the most popular and the most used search engine, even now that ChatGPT has come and many people are using it, we still have a lot of people using Google. Okay, so it is very important for you to optimize your website so that it will be easily found on Google. Okay, so if you go to a search engine like Google and you type something on the search bar there, you will see that the first 3 or 4 results that are displayed there are paid ads. So but anything down is organically ranked. When you want to optimize your website, there are some things you need to note, and those are the things we are going to be talking about. I'll be showing you how to do it in this video. In this video, I'm going to be using Yoast SEO, but there's another plugin that I like using. It is called All-in-One SEO. Okay, so you can use any of these and you get a good results. Okay, and we are optimizing a blog post, but you can use this same strategy, this same method, these same steps to optimize a web page. Okay, so without waste of time, I'll be going straight into this now. So the first thing you need to do now is to do a keyword research. So keyword research is to find out what people are searching for in relating to your product, so that when they search for those terms, your website will now show up. So there are tools that will help you in identifying key phrases or keywords that you will use and write your post about. So I'm going to show you 3 of these tools. So the first one is Answer the Public. So come to answerthepublic.com. So when you come here, you are now going to type what you want to write your post about. Like in this case now, I want to write a post on how to write blog posts that will rank high on Google. That's the post I want to write now. So I'm just going to type something like SEO blog posts here. So if I type this, you now see that there are so many results here. So this shows that these are the kind of things that people are searching for in regards writing a blog post. You will now pick them. You now pick them and use them. So this is the first tool you can use. Another tool is, I've picked my keywords already, and I have them somewhere in my document. I will show you later. So, but the second tool you are going to use is Survey. So this also shows you a lot of things that people are typing on different search engines. So let's type the same thing we put on answerthepublic.com. So blog SEO blog post. So as you can see, this is Wikipedia, this is Ask, this is YouTube, Bing, Yahoo, and Google. So look at all these posts, and of course Amazon too is there. So this one is SEO blog post checklist. Then how to write SEO friendly blog post in WordPress. How to do SEO of blog post, SEO friendly blog post. Then come to Google here, you will see SEO blog post publishing steps, SEO blog post writer. So your post should be able to answer these questions. So you come here, you pick the keywords. Then also you can use Google Trends. So we come here, type, and typing the same thing, SEO blog post. So you can also use Google Trends and pick the keywords. And also, when you come to Google search, this Google search box, and you start typing SEO blog, when you start typing, you see that some words or phrases will pop up. This shows that these are the kind of words that people are searching for on Google. So it's another place where you can pick your keywords from. If you type something like SEO, like we did before, and you open this, just scroll down to the end of this page. You will now see other results. These are some of the phrases that people are typing. So SEO friendly content examples, SEO, how to write SEO friendly article, best blog layout for SEO, what is blog optimization. So my post now is going to contain this. So when you come to the keywords I've picked, so come here, these are the keywords I've picked. And the content I've written is in line with this. The content I've written has answered most of these questions people are asking. So there is every possibility that when I search for this, Google will bring my post up. So now, after getting your keyword, you have to install Yoast SEO plugin into your WordPress. So quickly, I'll come to my WordPress login here. Put your domain name / login, then enter. So I'll log into my WordPress. So now this is my dashboard. So come to plugins, click on add new. So come to search and type Yoast, Yoast, Yoast. So look at the plugin here. You're going to click on install. So click on activate. So plugin activated. And SEO. Save and continue. So here you are going to put your social media links. Save and continue. Then, well, you can put on yes. Save. Email address. So finish. So you have successfully finished configuring your Yoast SEO. So now we are going to the third step, which is optimization. So we are going to create a new post, come to post, click on add new. So we are creating a post now, a post that will rank high on search engines. So this is a new page here. So if you come to the right here, you see this is our Yoast SEO. This is our Yoast SEO here. So we are going to start creating our post. So like I said before, I've written my post already. So I will be bringing the content from there, and then I will now show you how to optimize it. So I'll get my title. So this is our title. This is our title, and then the content. I will get this. So copy. Let's come and paste it here. So we have our blog post here. So now, this is very important. Come to click on posts. So look at your Yoast SEO here. Look at this frowning face here. Once you see this, you know that there are a lot of things you have written in your post that are not SEO friendly. So you now have to click on this improve your post with Yoast SEO. It's by the right here, and then there's another one down here. If you come down to this part, you click on SEO analysis. You now see it here. So look at this. All these things are things that we need to fix for our post to be able to rank high on search engines. And by the way, there is a premium version of this plugin. So if you get a premium version of it, you will have more features. But in this video, we are going to use this free one. Of course, the free one too has amazing features that will help you very, very well. So now if you come to this side too, you will see the same thing. So SEO analysis. So this plugin helps you in two ways. It helps you improve your readability and then SEO. So but we are going to start with SEO first before we will go to readability. So look at this. The only thing we have done good in this post is the length of the text. It has about 935 words. So now, the first issue we have here, first problem here, is outbound links. So if you look at our post here, we have not linked it to any other site. So we will have to link our site with other sites. This is one thing that will help your post or your article rank high on Google. You have to link your site to other sites, and then if it's possible, you also get backlinks. You get links from other sites where people can click and come to your site. So outbound links, we are going to link our content to another website now. So there's a place where I talked about Wix.com. So look at Wix.com here. We are going to link it to their website. So I have the link somewhere here. So I'll copy this link. Then come here, highlight what you want to, the text you want to link, Wix.com. Then I'll put this link here. I want people to open it in a new tab. When they click on it, they should open in a new tab. So click on submit here. You see that this error has gone, but that's not enough. We can link more than 3. So I'm talking about Google Trends here. So I can link this. Okay, let me link this to Answer the Public. So look at this. I'll come to the link www.answerthepublic.com. So open in a new tab, submit. So another one is this subgul.com. I'm going to link this to. So I'll link it to www.com. Open in a new tab. So submit. So we are done with that. We have 3 links. So images. No images appear on this page. So I'm now going to bring in some images. So first, let's get some images from pixabay.com. This is where you can get free images that you can use. So let's get something for blog post. Blog post. This is what we are going to use. Okay. So look at this. Let's just use this image. Right click on it and save. All right, I've downloaded an image like this before. So it's there. So now I'm going to come back here and add an image. So click on this plus. This is where you can add a block. So click on image. If you want something else, you can click on browse all and you see a lot of things. So click on image or upload an image. I'll now go to my image and upload it. This image is big, so I want to reduce it. Of course, I will centralize it, align center. So we have an image now. You see that error has gone. Image, good. So, but you can put more images. Can put more images. Like if you come down here in my post, I've given guidelines on how you can install Yoast SEO plugin. So in this place now, you can do some screenshots. You can make some screenshots and then upload here. Upload here, upload, how to search for it, how to click on install, how to activate, all these things. So you can bring in more images. You can bring in more images. But for now, I'll just put that one. And then you have interlinks. There is no interlink. That is, I will have to link to the other pages within my website. Any post you are creating, ensure you link it to the other pages of your website. So now, maybe I've written something else on keyword research. So I'll just come here, highlight, and then maybe let me type post. So let me link it to my home page so that when you click on it, you will go to my home page. Maybe what I have written about this is in my home page. If it's not on your home page, you just link it to where the people can read more about it. So it can be something you have spoken about, WordPress website. Just click that and link it within your website. You can have a lot of those links. It must not be one. You can have many of them. So as you can see, that error too has gone. Then key phrases. The key phrase length, they said no focus key phrase was set. So now I'll have to set a key phrase for my post. So now this is another feature that Yoast SEO has. Blog posts and SEO blog posts. So look at the volume. The volume here for this one is 70. This is 40. But this is quite long. So let's go with this. Let's go with this. So I'll now get it and then put it here. So this is our key phrase now. This is our key phrase. So now that we have put our key phrase, you see that more errors have come. So we need to fix them quickly. So the first one here says key phrase is key phrase in introduction. Your key phrase or its synonyms do not appear in the first paragraph. So we are going to come here, come to the first paragraph and put our key phrase in it. Explained how to write SEO friendly blog posts. So that's our first paragraph. So you will see that that one has gone. So now the focus key phrase was found one time. That's less than the recommended minimum of three times for a text of this length. So we are going to put it at least in three places in our post. So now let's find somewhere else and put it. There are three major in order to follow on how to write SEO friendly blog posts. Maybe just add it that will rank high on Google. So as you can see, two times. So let's put another one, at least one. So if you have more time, you can put it, it can be more than three. Three is just the minimum. So now let's add another block here, paragraph. You want to add paragraph. So you say something like, of put this thing, key phrase there. An idea of how to write SEO. By the way, this is capital letters. SEO is capital letters. So SEO, put it capital letters, all true. All right, so you can see that that one too has gone. So now, meta description length. No meta description has been specified. Search engines will display copy from the page instead. So no meta description. So meta description is that text that displays on your search engine. So look at this text here. So now we are going to put meta description here. Put your key phrase again. Put your key phrase there. So remove the other hand. So SEO, as this name is capital letters. It's an abbreviation. It's powerful. Yeah. All right. So you see that we have cleared that error too. So now key phrase in title. Not all the words from your key phrase, how to write SEO friendly blog post, appear in the SEO title. All right. So now come to this title. So SEO friendly blog posts. So you can leave this using blog post using Yoast SEO plugin. All right, so look at this. How to write SEO friendly blog posts using Yoast SEO plugin. All right, so you see that one too has gone. So we have another one here. The SEO title is wider than the viewable limit. Yes. So come down here. Look at the desktop view of the result. Both of them, it's wider than the view. Title is wider than the view. So this is what we are going to do. Use plugin. Okay, let's see. Let me remove this and see. Is it shorter now? Yes, so it's okay now. How to write SEO friendly blog post using Yoast plugin. All right, let's just leave it like that. And then, of course, we have put the full one in the description here, meta description. All right, so look at another thing here, image key phrase. So images on this page do not have alt attributes that reflect the topic of your text. So now we are going to put alt attribute. So close your SEO now, click on settings, and then come to block. Look at block here. So this is our image. If you want to make it round, you click on round, but that's not what we're talking about. So look at alt text here. So we can simply put our key phrase here. So once we put it there, you can come to advanced. You can also put it here. So close this, go back to your SEO. So come to analysis. So you see that the image is showing good job now. So if you have about 5 or 6 images, that's what we are going to do on those images. So you see that everything is okay now. These are tend to green. That is a good job. So now readability analysis is showing red. So there are some errors here. There are problems that we need to fix. You can see transition words, okay. Sentence length, okay. Paragraph length, okay. Reading ease, okay. Then look at consecutive sentences. They said that the text contains 3 consecutive sentences starting with the same word. So starting with the same word. So if you want to identify those places now, you can just click on this icon. This icon here, click on it. So it will highlight those places. It will highlight those places. So look at it here. Tags. This is what it's talking about. So you can simply remove this. Simply remove this. It's still okay. Important headings should use H2. Subsections should use H2. Huh? So that's okay. And then the another thing is subheadings distribution. You are not using any subheadings, although your text is rather long. So you will see that we have used H1 here. We have used H1 as our title. So there are no subheadings. So we need to use more of H tags, though we are not going to use H1 again because it will be conflicting. Search engines will find it difficult to pick the one that is the title. So now you are going to use H tag here, but it's not H1. We use H3, H4, or H5. So now we are going to insert another. Okay, let me just cut this. So click on plus. This is a heading. This is a heading. So paste it there. This is going to be H5, maybe H5. H5 is okay. So I'll now remove this block. Remove this list. I'll remove it. So I have H1 here. So look at this. This thing has changed now. They said one section of your text is longer than 300 words and is not separated by any subheadings. All right, so we are going to put in some headings again. So look at this. We will change this to another heading. So just copy this or cut it. Plus, this is a heading. So now paste it back here. So this thing we are going to change it to, it's on H2. We are going to change it to H5, heading 5. So we have another heading there. So we are now going to remove this block. Remove list. So now let's go down and add another heading. So look at your meta description. We can change this to insert head, another heading, and then paste it back. So we are going to say maybe H6 on this one. Then come down do same thing here. Insert heading, paste it back, change it to H6. So you see that that error has gone. So that's how you would do for these other ones. To look at tags, you do the same thing here. So insert heading, paste, change it to H6. So we have so many subheadings now. So look at this. So it's saying passive voice. 11.4% of the sentences contain passive voice, which is more than the recommended maximum of 10%. So now click on this eye icon again so that it will highlight those places. We'll now edit. So look at this. Let's just change it to UI instead of your. We'll change this to you. So uh, so something like this. Maybe let's take this to another line. I'm not structuring it very well, but when you are doing it, you take time and put it in order. So just put something like, I like this, put this will take you to the dashboard. To the dashboard. Well, this is like this. Like this is very okay. So come to this place. But how do you figure out which key you want to find? You will need to conduct keyword research. You can even remove this thing away. It's not that important because I've said it here already. I remove it. You can just edit those places to suit what Yoast SEO wants. So as you can see now, everything is okay. A green face there. You have 7 good results. So come to SEO analysis. Every other thing is very well. Outbound links, good job. Images, good job. Interlinks, key phrase length, meta description, all of those things. SEO title, width, good job. So now we're done with our SEO. So if you come down here, this is how it will appear on search engine. So when you are done with this, of course, you need to add some images, do some more stylings here. And then if you want to add some more blocks, you can add. And then if you want to add down here, if you want to add your latest post, you can add it down here. So when you are done, you are now going to publish your post. You click on publish. So post published. So now your post will go live. Alright guys, so that is how to optimize your blog post, and that is the same strategy you can use to optimize your web pages so that it will rank high on Google search engine or any other search engine out there. So this is the end of our class for today. See you in my next class. Bye bye.